Okay, hi guys. So I'm kind of back. I don't know if this video is gonna match up with my newest one, which is where I did this look. But my throat, I just recorded that video, and after I turned the camera off, my throat got worse. So I do have a holes in my mouth right now. So hopefully I'm trying to finish it so then I don't have to talk with it in my mouth. But I wanted to do a quick kind of tour of my setup. This isn't what I plan. I plan to do a setup tour, but I didn't plan to do it like this. But with my throat, I don't know when it's going to be better. So I just wanted to go ahead and get it up and running. So I have to make sure everything's crystal clear. So I guess we'll just start. Okay, so I'm in the back corner of my room. I'm gonna walk over. So this is my setup, starting from the corner of one edge. Yeah, this is all my makeup. So I have my chair here, sitting here. I have Goliath right next to me. That's my big giant monkey. So I'm gonna move this out the way. Those two things at the bottom, the two ottomans, are my art stuff. So this is where the recording happens. This is my little tripod. This is the mirror. You see me? Hi. This little button here turns the light on, and that's what I record with. And I also have this little ring light. I bought this in pink, which I didn't realize until I got home, and I hated it, so I colored it in Sharpie. But this is on low, medium, high, and it sits right here. And then I have my phone on a tripod, and that's how I record. I also have this lamp and that lamp over there on. And then I have lipsticks in the background. That one I got from the dollar store. Five Below. My mom gave me those. All these are Maybelline. And this stuff in the background, this file cabinet. My college stuff is in here. My targets are here. I go shooting at a shooting range. I have a fan here for at night, and here's my bed. So this is stuff that I just used in that review. Or not even a review, it's a Walmart run. But yeah, it is pretty tight. Like, me standing here, I usually have the chair pulled up a little closer. So when I do record, if I can get it up, it's like this. Actually, I'm really much closer. And then when I get out, like, I kind of have to climb around this to get out, and I have to push the fan forward. So that's why when I take y'all off the tripod and go to the window, it's kind of hard. I also have tissues up here. So, all my eyeshadow palettes, this is just a bag of stuff, because I don't have enough room. I got samples. I got my Milani blush in there. I got my Beauty Treats palette in there. These are all my palettes, all lined up. I got my cream palette, my cream blushes in there. So all my eyeshadow palettes are over here. And that new powder I'm trying out, and my Fit Me powder. And these are all of my liquid foundations that I have in jars. So this is them alone. This is the prime and set thing. That's not good. And this thing's just primer. But, oops, what did I drop? Of course I'm dropping stuff. Over top here, I have some more setting sprays. I have 3.6 Plus minis. I have the Ulta setting spray, Photo Focus, more brushes, More brushes. These are my fancy brushes. Clinique highlight brush. The serum. I have my eyeliners and lip liners. And then over here where my beauty sponges go. Over here, and then I have my brushes over here, my bronzer brush. And these I have as like my everyday kind of go-to. There's Unicorn Blood from Jeffree. Too Faced Maybelline matte inks are really good. What did I drop this time? And then over here is kind of like a mess. Those are all receipts and stuff. I keep them. Pens. This is the Milani oil. This stuff has saved me so many times. It's amazing. I have another pair of lashes. My hauls. And usually my drink's sitting right there. I have my Morphe setting spray. These are the Biore pore strips. I'm just gonna have to keep knocking stuff over. There's just not enough room. I was gonna get a bigger table, but I don't have that much room anyway. So I don't think I'd be able to fit it. Here are my lip scrubs from Jeffree Star. One is the chocolate covered strawberry. And this one is orange gummy bear. And this is my little notebook where I keep my ideas stuff. I was just gonna get a straight up planner, but I changed my mind. Alright, moving that out the way. So here are the drawers. This all has makeup in it, and this has makeup in it. Clearly, you can see that because it's clear. This is the Chief Executive Clear Box Organizer from Ulta. This was $50. This is the most expensive thing that I have on the table. These two little kid drawer things I got from Five Below. And in this first one, above for my light, I have the NYX eyeshadow base, the Fenty Beauty clear plastic things if you're traveling, the Hoola bronzer brush, white eyeliner. I have two sharpeners. This is just like the kind of like eye base kind of drawer. Here's my last drawer. All of my lashes that I need to use. And the glue and the eyeshadow primer from Five Below that I don't use that often. Here are some of my concealers. These I don't use that often. I use these two to cut my crease. And this, I've used all of these. This needs to go down in the other one. Okay. This is the magic drawer. If I can keep it from falling off the thing. This is the highlighters. This is where I have all of my over highlighters. I don't know if you can tell, but I have two more in the back there. I have another one of the glazed donut. And the new packaging. This is powders. 2 highlighters. 3 highlighters. The face powder. And then the gross photo focus powder. I'll just keep that there. I use the powders pretty often. It depends on the look. And then this is my Hoola bronzer, eyeliner, and then my Ulta Beauty loose or single eyeshadows. And then top drawer is lipstick. Whole bunch of lipstick. Wet n Wild, Jeffree, ColourPop, Bite, which that I got for a present. And then the second drawer is, this side is mascara. This is a lip gloss that's gold. Brows products, which put that in there. And these are all primers. I have 2 silicone 3 silicone, and then now I have 3 water-based. So this is the one I was talking about that they discontinued because I haven't seen this. But that's okay because I have this one. Far out the way. Okay, so these are where my fancy stuff goes. So you can see I have Fenty Beauty, I have ColourPop, Huda Beauty, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, my NARS Creamy Concealer. And on this side, I have the foundations I don't use as often. So I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay, which I'll be using this in a tutorial probably close to the summer. L'Oreal Pro Matte. This is too dark for me, but I know how to lighten it, so. This is the Stay Matte Rimmel thing. I saw that they did like a remake of this, which I was going to get, but I need to use this one up first. The Wet n Wild Gross Foundation. And then the Makeup Forever, or Makeup Revolution makeup stick. And down at the bottom here, Fenty powder. My Huda Beauty and Fenty powders are over here, because I can't fit them in there. Unless I flip it sideways, but even though that's pretty risky. So. And then these are my Stila and like glitters. So here's the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter that I have. And these are my Stila ones. And then this is the one I was saying in a video. This is the Milani one that's used to rival the Stila ones. Hypnotic Lights. I think this is in the shade Luster Light. Yeah. So, it's pretty cool. I don't use it often like I should. And so, that's kind of like my whole setup. And I have my setting sprays, and then I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. Cards Against Humanity. I have no one to play with, so. Oh well. There's that Maybelline concealer. Put that up top. I don't use that often. And my Jaclyn Hill set. These are more eyelashes. Another mirror in case I need it. And then as you can see, I kind of have to crawl around. But usually the chair's pushed in too, so. Yeah, that's about it. You see me in the mirror with my phone. Okay, I'm being weird. So, I already showed you all those. I think that's just about it. That's the whole thing together. If you care. But that's it. I have this mat here for catching loose powder, which you see hasn't really helped because... Yeah, okay. Okay guys, so that's about the tour. That's about it. It's not a lot for right now. I am still trying to figure out how to organize it to make it look more neat. But that's about as best as I can get it, especially in that tight of a space. I don't have a very big room, so hopefully it'll be better. I'm hoping. So you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you next time.